In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect to VPN on laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different ways to do this, but in my opinion, the best way is just using a browser with a built-in VPN. And for this, what you want to do is just go ahead and get the Opera browser. So I'll show you how to get it right now. All you want to do is go over to your browser of choice, like Google Chrome, and then type in Opera like this, and you're going to see opera.com as the first option. Go to download Opera and then press download now, and then just run the installation file. Then whenever you go ahead and open up your Opera browser, you can search everything, but before you search, go over to this VPN icon right here. And then if it's turned off, like currently this is unprotected, all you want to do is switch it on and it's going to say you're protected. You can even switch it from Americas, Asia, Europe, or the most optimal location, and it's completely free to do. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.